Good morning from St. Leonard, New Brunswick. I realize that I am showing you Canada by every Tesla supercharger. Yes, we've done the first couple hundred kilometers here. This is a 3-province day, one of my favorite 3-province days. Started in Quebec, we're now in New Brunswick, and hopefully, God willing, by the end of the day, we'll be in Nova Scotia and Cape Breton. Coming out of Quebec, certainly here through the Appalachian Mountains, and a little scary at times because lots of in and out of clouds and lots of caution moose signs. So that combination is a little scary. Thankfully, we didn't see any moose, and at least we didn't hit any moose, so that's a good sign. All right, talk to you later. Alright, so here we are at the Magnetic Hill. We are now at the bottom of the Magnetic Hill, and we're going to attempt to put the Tesla neutral. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh god. Holy crap, it's flying. Oh my god. Ah! Ah! Don't run off the road. Oh god. Ooh.
Oh, that's quite a pool.
Holy crap.
That's quite a pool.
Ah.
Oh, that guy's gonna do the same.
Ooh, this is what you're supposed to do. Will it take us all the way up the hill?
Oh,
All the way to the top of the hill.
That's crazy. How's it doing that?
Well, here we are at our final supercharger before we get to Cape Breton. So we gotta wait a while to charge the car up to full, and hopefully we'll be able to get a third-party charger on the way to Cape Breton, so we can actually make it there. Carrie's a little worried. I think the New Brunswick one-stops or en routes, whatever they call them, I think they might even have Quebec beat, because not only is there electric car charging, and of course, you know, big restaurant, big gas station, but if you keep turning around, look over here. They have the Bark Park, a cute little park for your doggies to play in, complete with fire hydrant. Isn't that cool? The Bark Park, here at your one-stops in New Brunswick. Okay, here we are, about to go over the causeway onto Cape Breton. Little freighter there. It's very busy. We had to pass someone's brand new house on a truck.